Number 1. Kottakkunnu. Because of its strategic position and thrilling rides, Kottakkunnu is Malappuram's most well-known amusement park. The adventure, children's, and aquatic theme parks all exist at Kottakkunnu Amusement Park. In the nights, there are a number of laser water performances. The Hilltop Park also includes thrilling rides that kids love. The entrance charge to Kottakkunnu Amusement Park is 10 rupees for adults and 5 rupees for children. Number 2. Cee Vee Land. Cee Vee Land is a Malappuram water park based on a worldwide concept. The water park offers a variety of distinctive and valuable amenities to tourists. Water slides, wet gliders, lazy river, and children world are among the water rides available. A prayer room, a children's zoo, and a bird-watching area are also available at the park. Cee Vee Land also provides convenient and legal parking for its visitors. Cee Vee Land has an entry fee of around 700 rupees for everyone. Number 3. Silsila Water Theme Park. Silsila Water Park is a new project that has gained popularity due to its superb services and rides. Every day, hundreds of tourists flock to this water park in Malappuram. There are many water slides, swings, and pool waves to enjoy. There are large man-made lakes where you can swim to your heart's content and have a good time. Silsila Water Park has an entrance cost of around 500 rupees. For youngsters, the park is extremely entertaining and safe. Number 4. Flora Fantasia Amusement Park. Flora Fantasia Amusement Park is a favorite among both children and adults. It contains an adventure park as well as a water park. The water park is called Voloncherry. Many thrilling rides may be found at the Voloncherry Water Theme Park. The park's tsunami ride, typhoon tunnel, landing pool, and tornado swirl are all popular attractions. The Flora Fantasia Amusement Park charges 700 rupees for adults and 500 rupees for children and elderly citizens to enter. This is a must-see attraction for everyone visiting or living in Malappuram. Number 5. Chamakkayam Riverside Park. Chamakkayam Riverside Park is known as Malappuram's natural water park. The park is located adjacent to the well-known Kottakkunnu River. There is no admission cost to this park. It provides a large area where kids can run about and play to their heart's content. You can take a relaxing walk along the river's edge or do yoga first thing in the morning. Locals frequent this park for a quick swim or other little water activity. Hope you like this video. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel.